Hello, my name is Micah, and I am a practicum student here at Micah Reserve, and this is another episode of Nature Notes. And today we are going to be talking about Acer saccharum, or better known as sugar maple. Sugar maple is our state tree, and we're going to be talking about some of the really cool, fun facts about it. So we're first going to talk about how to identify the sugar maple. There are two main maples here in Wisconsin, and they're very hard to tell apart. The easiest way to do so is to count the number of lobes on the leaf. So the lobes, when I say lobes, I am referring to these outward portions. So if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can tell it's a lobe because there is a deep, what we call sinus in the leaf. And when identifying this tree, some of the leaves may be underdeveloped still, so maybe these bottom lobes might be a little bit smaller than you would expect, and it may be misidentified as a red maple instead. Another way to tell that it is a sugar maple is to look at these sinuses that we talked about before. The sinus of the red maple is pointy and jagged, where the sinus of the sugar maple is round and U-shaped. So we have the U right here. Very smooth, very, does not stop, not jagged. And there are a lot of curves in this leaf. When you look at the red maple, lots of jagged edges, sharp parts to it. So that is how you're going to identify Acer saccharum, or the sugar maple. So we've talked about how it is our state tree. But another cool fact about it is how it reproduces. So many of you may have seen little helicopter seeds that fly down out of the sky. But these cannot just germinate anywhere or grow anywhere. They need a special type of soil. These seeds will germinate in the part of the soil that we like to call the duff. The duff is composed of decomposing leaves, pine needles, any plant, maybe even an animal, anything that is decomposed and has been broken down. This layer of soil is typically very light and fluffy and super rich in nutrients. So sugar maples have to have this soil in order to germinate and grow. Without it, the seeds don't take and they cannot reproduce in that area. Now, that is something that's very cool and unique about the sugar maple, but it is also the reason that its reproduction is being hindered in the state of Wisconsin. This guy, the earthworm, is taking away the layer of duff on the soil floor because this is his favorite thing to eat. He enjoys eating anything dead or decomposing. And when earthworms eat this duff, they don't leave anything. They take it all and leave behind basically garbage soil, lifeless, not a lot of nutrients. So this is creating a problem for foresters and soil scientists when it comes to the populations and reproduction of sugar maples. Thank you for listening. This has been another episode of Nature Notes.